Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my class Chemistry Essential and I hope all of you are doing good. So in our previous lesson we have completed the chapter Chemical Kinetics and from today we will be discussing some previous year questions and some model questions as well from JEE Main and NEET. Okay, so let's see our first question and it is from JEE Main 2019. Okay, so the question is, for a reaction, consider the plot of ln K versus 1 by T given in the figure. If the rate constant at 400 Kelvin is 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse, the rate constant at 500 Kelvin is, and the options are given here. Okay, so how can we solve it? Let's see. First, according to Arrhenius equation, we can write K, that is rate constant, is equals to A into e to the power minus EA divided by RT. And what does the term express? Okay, so first K means rate constant, A means the frequency factor, and E means the exponential, and EA means the activation energy, R is equals to here the universal gas constant, and T is temperature in Kelvin scale. Okay, now we just put ln function before each side. Okay, so ln K is equals to ln A into e to the power minus EA by RT. Now ln means this is log base E. So these two terms are in multiplied form. So we can write it as ln A plus ln e to the power minus EA by RT. Again, this term is in power, and the property of ln or log says the power term can come in front of the actual term. So this is equals to ln A plus minus EA by RT ln E. Now ln E and the base is E. So this is equals to 1 and the total term is like ln A, and this is plus minus equals to minus EA by RT. So ln K is equals to ln A minus EA by RT. So this is the actual form. Now we have plotted the ln K versus 1 by T. So I just separate 1 by T term. So ln K is equals to ln A minus EA by R into 1 by T. So 1 by T versus ln K is plotted here. Now the slope is given here, this, and from this equation we just compare y is equals to mx plus, we just put c before because the variable term is at last. So c plus mx. Okay, so what is m? This is the m term, that means minus EA by R, and this is equals to slope. Okay, so we just put minus EA by R is equals to this value. So what we can do, minus EA by R is equals to this. So minus EA by R is equals to minus 4606 Kelvin. Now so we just cancel minus and minus term. So EA is equals to this into R, and we just put the value of R in joule. So this is 4606 into R, that means 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse, and the K is left here. If we put that K here, then Kelvin and Kelvin inverse will be cancelled out, and this will be joule per mole. So we got the value of EA. Okay, now we are asked the rate constant at 500 Kelvin and 400 Kelvin is given here. So we just take T1 and T2 and K1 and K2 for different temperature to different rate constant. So we can write it as ln K1 is equals to ln A, and this term is in multiplication, so we just write minus EA by R into, so here this is T, and T means this is for 400 Kelvin, so we just put here 400 for K1. So now I am taking ln K2 is equals to ln A minus EA by R into 500. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, now we just do 2 minus 1 and what will happen? So we are just taking this side. Now ln K2 minus ln K1 is equals to, this is ln A minus ln A, this will be cancelled out, so this will remain, so minus EA by R into 500, and this will be plus because you are taking 2 minus 1, so EA by R into 400. So this is the equation. So these two ln terms are in subtraction, so we can write it as in the form ln K2 by K1, K2 by K1. So ln K2 by K1 is equals to, we take common as EA by R, and the remaining will be left 1 by 400 minus 1 by 500. Okay, so this is the form. Now what we can do? So we just take it here, so this term is here and we are just finishing this term. Okay, now ln K2 by K1 is equals to this term, so I take ln K2 by K1 is equals to EA by R into this term, so this term is equal to 400 into 500 and above is 500 minus 400. Okay, and the value is ln K2 by K1 is equals to, this is equals to 100, so EA, so we just put the value of EA here, so we just put the value of EA here, and EA is equals to this term, so EA is equals to 4606 into 8.314 joule per mole. Okay, and next is 500 minus 400 is equals to 100 divided by R and 400 into 500. So this is the form. Okay, now what we can do? See, this is 8.314 and this is R. So actually this is the value of R. So you can cancel out these two terms. Okay, now this is 100. So we just cancel 20. Okay, now what is given here? Now ln K2 by K1 is equals to 5 4 the 20 and 20, and above is 4606. Okay, now what you can do, you just cut this two term and calculate. So you just divide the above, the numerator and denominator by 2, and you will remain as 1000, and the above term will be 2303. So the term, sorry it is 3, is now 3 digit, left side 1 2 3, 2.303. Okay, so we have the value here. Now what we can do? I think you must know that the relation between ln and log. See, ln x is equals to 2.303 log. So this is the relation between ln and log. Now we just got this term. So ln k2 by k1 is equals to 2.303. So if I put it as a log, so it will be like ln term, and I am converting into log. 2.303 log k2 by k1 is equals to 2.303. Now we can cancel out 2.303 and 2.303 here. Okay, now the remaining is left log k2 by k1 is equals to 1, and log 1 means log 10 is equals to log 10. So k2 by k1, log k2 by k1 is equals to log 10. So we just cancel the log function. So k2 by k1 is equals to 10. Okay, so we have almost done. See, k2 by k1 is equals to 10, and you are given k1 is equals to 10 to the power minus 5. So k2 is equals to k1 from here into 10. You just see k2 is equals to k1 into 10. So k1 is equals to 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 is equals to 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the answer. Okay, so the question was not so tough. Okay, so let's see the second question. Okay, so the answer is 10 to the power minus 4, that is first option. Okay, so let's take the second question. Okay, so this is the second question from JEE Main 2019. So let's see the question. So for a reaction scheme A to B to C, if the rate of formation of B is said to be 0, the concentration of B is given by, and the options are given here. Look, this type of equation means the formation of B, and again from B the C is produced. So this is called consecutive reaction. Okay, so first I consider the formation of B and disappearance of A. So A is the first reactant. If we write the rate of reaction in terms of A and B, how will it look like? So minus D concentration of A by dt, that is the disappearance of A, is equals to D concentration of B by dt. So disappearance of A is equals to formation of B. Okay, this is equals to the rate of formation of B, and it is expressed as we know from rate law expression. This is K1 into concentration of A. Okay, so K1 and concentration of A, because A is the reactant here, and rate law expression says that the rate is dependent on only the concentration of reactant. Okay, so this is the formation rate of B. Now find out the disappearance rate. So from B C is forming, তাহলে B থেকে C তৈরি হচ্ছে। ওকে, B থেকে যদি C তৈরি হয়, তার ডিসঅ্যাপিয়ারেন্স রেটটা আমরা কিরকম ভাবে এক্সপ্রেস করব? মাইনাস ডি কনসেন্ট্রেশন অফ বি বাই ডিটি। তার মানে বি কিন্তু ডিসঅ্যাপিয়ার করে সি তৈরি হচ্ছে। ওকে, সো দিস ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এগেন K2 ইন্টু কনসেন্ট্রেশন অফ বি। ওকে, বিকজ এখানে বিটা রিয়াক্ট্যান্ট, তাহলে এই যে ডিসঅ্যাপিয়ারেন্স রেটটা সেটা বি এর উপরে ডিপেন্ড করবে। তাহলে আমি ফরমেশন রেট আর ডিসঅ্যাপিয়ারেন্স রেট পেয়ে গিয়েছি। তাহলে এই দুটো থেকে আমাকে একটা জিনিস ক্যালকুলেট করতে হবে যে ফরমেশন অফ বি ইজ সেট টু বি 0, তাহলে এটা 0 হবে। তাহলে বি এর ফরমেশন আর বি এর ডিসঅ্যাপিয়ারেন্স, সেই দুটোকে যদি আমরা যোগ করে দিই তাহলে তাদের যে যোগফল সেটা 0 হবে। তাহলে আমি কি করব? ডি কনসেন্ট্রেশন অফ বি বাই ডিটি মাইনাস ডি কনসেন্ট্রেশন অফ বি বাই ডিটি। তাহলে ফরমেশন রেট disappearance rate is equals to K1 concentration of A minus K2 concentration of B. Okay, and this is equals to 0 because set to be 0. So from this equation we can calculate K1 into concentration of A is equals to K2 into concentration of B. Okay, so this is the equation. Now you have to find out the concentration of B. So you have to find out the concentration of B. So from this equation we can write concentration of B is equal to, so we just put K2 over here, so K1 by K2 into concentration of A. So this is the answer. So let's see the option, K1 by K2 into concentration of A. So option A is correct. So this will be the correct answer. Okay, so let's see the third question. So okay, so this is the third question of this series, and this is from JEE Main 2020 January. So the question is 2x to B, a reaction is given here, is a zero order reaction if the initial concentration of X is 0.2 molar, this is 0.2 molar, half life is 6 hours. When the initial concentration is 0.2 molar, half life is 6 hours. Okay, now when the initial concentration is 0.5 molar, this is 0.5 molar, the time required to reach the final concentration 0.2 molar. Okay, so they asked the time required to reach the concentration 0.2 molar. Okay, so first what we can do, this is zero order reaction. So zero order reaction means we know the integrated form, that means the mathematical formulation of zero order reaction. It is like concentration of A is equals to concentration of A0 minus KT. Okay, now T half. So what will be T half? T half means at T half, concentration of A is equals to concentration of A0 by 2. That means T half এ আমার যে রিঅ্যাক্ট্যান্টের রিমেনিং কনসেন্ট্রেশন সেটা প্রাইমারি যে কনসেন্ট্রেশন, দ্যাট মিনস ইনিশিয়াল কনসেন্ট্রেশনের অর্ধেক হয়ে যায়। সো ইনিশিয়াল কনসেন্ট্রেশন ইজ A0, আর টি হাফের ক্ষেত্রে এই যে কনসেন্ট্রেশন অ্যাট টাইম টি হাফ সেটা A0 অর্ধেক হয়ে যাবে, অর্থাৎ A0 বাই 2 হয়ে যাবে। তাহলে আমি A এর জায়গায় এখন A0 বাই 2 আর টি এর জায়গায় টি হাফ পুট করব। তাহলে A এর জায়গায় A0 বাই 2 is equals to A0 minus K T half. Okay, so this is the equation. এবারে যদি আমরা এটাকে ক্যালকুলেট করি তাহলে এটা কি দাঁড়ায়, আমি K ইন্টু টি হাফটাকে এই সাইডে নিয়ে আসছি, K ইন্টু টি হাফ ইজ ইকুয়ালস টু এটা এই পাশে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি, কনসেন্ট্রেশন A0 মাইনাস A0 বাই 2. ওকে, সো দিস ইজ ইকুয়াল টু A0 by 2. So T half will be A0 by 2K. So this is the equation of T half. Now what is said? So this is the equation of T half. Now you are given A0 is equals to 0.2 molar and T half is equals to 6 hours, and you will find the K. So K is equals to concentration of A0 divided by 2 T half. This is equals to 0.2 into 2 into 6 hours. Okay, so this is equals to 0.2 by 6 to the 12 hour inverse. Okay, so this is equals to K, the rate constant of zero order reaction. Now what is just the initial concentration is 0.5 and the time required to reach the final concentration 0.2. So again we just write the equation A is equal to A0 minus KT. So initial concentration is, you are given as, initial concentration is initial concentration, so 0.5 and you have to reach the concentration 0.2 is equals to minus K, K is equals to 0.2 divided by 12 into t. You have to find the t. So I just take this term into this side. So 0.2 by 12 is equals to 0.5 minus 0.2, and this is equals to 0.3. Now, oh sorry, here t term is here. So we can write t is equals to 0.3 into 12, 0.3 into 12 divided by 0.2. So we just dismiss the point here, and 2 6 are 12. So 3 into 6 equals to 18. Okay, so the answer is 18 hour. Okay, so the option 2 is correct. So okay, that's it. This was some question from JEE Main previous year, and if you really like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe and share with your friends, and see you again in the next video. Okay, thank you.